Good afternoon. How are you? I'm doing well. I have not done any work today. I went to the dentist. I took my Nana to perm day. We went to lunch at Red Robin. It was a good day. This is Jen at Will Budget for Coffee. How are you doing? I'm so glad you're here. I'm glad you've come to watch. And I'm just going to throw some money on some savings challenges today. Most of these have no place to go in particular. A few do. I'll explain as I go. Anyways, I went to the dentist today, like I said. And then I think I just realized I had a kid who had an appointment. I don't know if he went. Have to look at that. But we're going to throw some money in the tooth savings first. The same kid who needs a dental implant was supposed to pick up a retainer today. So we'll see. So let's count. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Tell you what, you guys came in with some good stocking stuffer ideas. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Some of them I'd never thought of. So it was great to hear. I'm going to roll this one for this one. That is a 9. All right, $9 going in. Put in a 10, take out a 1. Woo. And then we'll roll for this one. 11. Anyways, had a good day. It's so super rainy here. Super, super rainy. Super, super rainy. So, I had a kid who broke down the other day. His car's in the shop. Hopefully, just getting a new alternator. That's easy, right? Easy, easy. And then this, the teeth are worth 10. So we're going to do what? So, and then the dog got lost today, y'all. The gardeners came. We're at the Airbnb. We're not at our house. I do not have gardeners at my house. So the gardeners came, and the very old Chihuahua Terrier mix decided to go on a walkabout in the hole that the gardeners left in the fence. And so my son, who was at home, called me because he couldn't find our dog. But he finally found him, so it's okay. Oh, man. That would have been tragedy. Lemon Ivy Budgets. I don't think he hears well. I know he doesn't see well. And so it would have been very bad. But he was like 14 houses down the road in a neighborhood he doesn't know and that doesn't know him. That's $5. At our house, if the neighbors see him, they like return him. But he likes to run. So right now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 in Lemon Ivy Budgets. And then I am so thankful to all my new subscribers that are here. And I made a savings challenge set. It's a printable. It will be down in the doobly-doo if you know, below. So it's a set of 3. And this says gingerbread spice and everything nice. And you can just color in the circle. And then this one is Gingerbread Kisses and Holiday Wishes, and it's a roll and save. And then this one's my favorite. I put scratchers on it. You don't have to. You can just mark off the icons as you find them. The icon amounts are down here. It says, fake are the cookies, real is the dough, save enough money for fancy Christmas Joe. I do love an eggnog latte. And I realized that season is coming upon us very fast. So I decided to make a savings challenge for my eggnog lattes. Because why are we fighting it? I don't know. We should just admit it to ourselves and go on with that, right? That's what I think. So we're going to scratch one. And that is the Christmas tree cookie. So it's $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going in. And then I have this one, from Simply Living Saves, and I'm going to roll a 6-sided die. Just $1. So how is your week going? It's a Wednesday. We're halfway done. Mine's pretty good. Work's been super slow because I had all those doctor's appointments to deal with. Dee Plans and Budgets. So if, you know, you got to get work when you can get it. And if you're at the doctor, you can't get it. So that's all right. 5, 10, 15. That was a big scratch, Dee. Sad thing is I put those stickers on and I don't even remember what they were underneath. I should have paid attention. And then good old Rox Budgets with her little vacation kitty sticking its tongue out. We will give 2 scratches. A 5. And a little old one, which I don't have any ones, but I do have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 going back. And a 5 coming this way. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20 so far. And then I was doing this one, and it is from Ellie on Earth. And I didn't mark them off, which I should have. I realized later. So we're going to mark off today. So the first dice is going to be for this one. The second rolls for that one. 3, 2. So that's this fish, and that's worth $5. We'll do it again. 1. 1. That fish is worth $4. So there's that 4 going back to Under the Sea, Ellie on Earth. So that gives us 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Nice. That's a little printable from her Etsy shop. Also down below, you can go buy it for yourself. It's a fun little game. And this one, we have Janell Rae Budgets. It was a freebie she handed out quite some time ago, and I've just been working on it. Each flower is worth $5. I, once again, don't have colored... Oh, here they are. Found them. Looks like I don't have colored pencils down here, but here they are. We're going to finish this up. This was supposed to be going to my emergency fund, but as you know, I slowed that down because we're paying for the dental implant. So we are going to finish this up and then count it and put it towards the teeth fund. A cute little toad. Janell Rae Budgets. I also finished her burger binder recently. And I promised to mail it to someone, which I have not mailed it yet. So putting 10 in. This one saved 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, $80 going to the teeth. Awesome. Awesome. So that leaves me with 10 left. So let's give this one a roll for Thanksgiving dinner. Is 2. Don't have change. Roll again. 4. That's 6 in. We'll take a 5 out. That's close enough. It's all going to the same dinner. And then I will color a 5 in over here. That makes me $1 short, but I'll figure it out later. Perfect. So we're getting there. Do you guys have Thanksgiving plans? I was just talking with my Nana's hairdresser. She has not yet been invited to a kid's house, so she's like, well, I guess we'll make plans to go elsewhere. If we need to, we'll go out to eat. But we couldn't think of a place that was open on Thanksgiving. So make sure your people have their plans made. That's what I would say. And once again, I'm so glad you're here. I'm glad you visited. I appreciate it. I have these 2 plus the other one I did for coffee down below. All 3 print on one sheet as just a big thank you for subscribing and being here. And I hope you have a good day. Take the time to save $1 or 2. Thanks. Bye.